Warning, warning, 5G radiation. Ladies and gentlemen, Rex Bear Leak Project, how the heck are you? Hope you're having a fantastic day today. I just wanted to show you, I've got an acoustometer right here that actually tests the EMF levels, the EMF radiation, and it's more designed to pick up like microwave radiation. So this will pick up everything you can see down here, the frequency range from 200 megahertz up to 8 gigahertz. So if you've studied the different frequency bands, 1 megahertz, if you were to just take 1 megahertz, that's 1,000,000 cycles per second. That's 1,000,000 cycles per second. The Schumann resonance, which is the average heartbeat of the world, is about 7.83. Now that fluctuates quite a bit. That goes all over the place. It spiked up to 78 just a few days ago. Actually, on the 19th, it spiked up to 78. Which is pretty substantial, but this, as you can see right here, just hit 15,000 milliwatts per square meter. So 15,000 milliwatts per square meter is about 1,500 times safe levels, according to several studies that have been done throughout the years. When you're outside, you really don't want to be getting hit with more than 10 milliwatts per square meter. Now, realistically, there is a medical center in front of me. There's a there's a hospital, a medical center. So there's multitudes of buildings around the cell tower, which is literally right there. Let me show you this. This is disturbing, in my opinion. That's my opinion, of course. So do you see it? You see that cell tower right there? Do you see the hospital? Okay, there's the hospital. There's the cell tower. And then there's the medical center. So when people get sick, they go to the hospital. People get sick and they get blasted with EMF radiation. What's wrong with this picture? So this is what you can do to protect yourself from EMF radiation. This literally blocks EMF radiation. I have been designing these with Julian the architect. If you go to tinfoilcap.co, you can see this one right here. This is a stealth carbon hat that has an EMF liner built. I've got the EMF liner tucked into it. You can actually pull the EMF liner out as well. But these liners will block low frequencies and they'll block high frequencies. So they'll block all the way down into the thousands of hertz range, which is pretty low, all the way up into 30 gigahertz. 30 gigahertz. Now that's 30 billion hertz. That's 30 billion cycles per second. The 5G that you've been told about, the 5G is a multitude of spectrums. It's called 5G because it's the 5th generation of communications. And 5G is going to be using frequencies as low as 600 megahertz all the way up to 60 gigahertz, I've read in some reports, and higher. The 5G will have the capability to run 200 gigahertz. And if you research these different frequency bands, just look up 60 gigahertz and what 60 gigahertz can do to oxygen. Look up what 200 gigahertz can do. Look up what directed energy weapon systems use. Now, let's talk about it for a minute. 5G right now is still in its infancy. 5G right now is not around the world. There is a lot of misconceptions about what 5G actually is. 5G is 5th generation communications. If you have a router that's 5G, you've got a router that's going to be pushing 5 gigahertz. Now, 5 gigahertz is just a frequency band. That's a high frequency band. That's 5 billion cycles per second. Your microwave's probably going anywhere from 800 megahertz all the way up to maybe 2.5 gigahertz. It's running at a very high wattage. It's going to be blocked off, so it's like a Faraday cage. But how do you like being exposed to radiation? This is one thing you can do. You can get these liners at tinfoilcap.co. This liner is a Nephilim liner. As you can see, it's a larger liner you can put in your hats. You can wrap around your router. You can wrap around your phone. So this thing just hit 13,000 milliwatts per square meter. 13,000 milliwatts per square meter. Let me show you. I'm going to show a few things to you. If you like to be stylish, we've got these really cool caps, right? So you got this one right here. This has got the flat bill. This is a very high-end fabric. These are limited editions. This is the McFly Stealth with the flat bill, as you can see here. The liners you can remove. These do come with liners. These are available at tinfoilcap.co. We've only got a few of these left. This is the original tinfoil cap. This is the TFCC model. These come with liners that are removable as well. We've only got like 5 of these left. Either 5 or 7 of these left. Only a few of these. These are all handmade in the United Kingdom, and we test the materials for to make sure that they work efficiently. We do have some of these in stock. You can see it's got this really cool stealth fabric that will light up in different colors, and this is the tinfoil cap. This will light up. It's bright, it's luminescence, so if you have no lights, you can actually see right here, which is pretty cool. And the different. But look at this. We got some new clothes in. We have new clothing material. So for the ladies and for the guys. So this right here, this is for the ladies. I don't know, maybe some guys like to wear this stuff, but as you can see right here, these will actually protect you as well. This is an EMF liner fabric that will block different frequencies. It'll block the harmful EMF radiation. We've got t-shirts. As you can see right here, we got t-shirts with this special material that blocks EMF radiation. We've got different sizes and styles and different options. We've even got boxers. Check this out. Oh, these aren't boxers. I think these are more for, this is, yeah, this is probably not for the guys. We've got some boxers as well in here somewhere. Hello. Where are those boxers at? I must be wearing them already. Here we go. No, these aren't boxers, but we got boxers too. So we got boxers and different underwears and such. Tinfoilcap.co, man. That's what I'm talking about. So, t-shirt, block the EMF radiation with the t-shirt. Nanny. All right, and if you really want to be cool too, you can add to the excitement. Look at that. Look at that. We just look at it. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking. Check this out, man. Danger. Warning. So, oh yeah, check this out too. Look at this. We've got EMF blockers, RFID blockers. You see right here for the planes. We've got different sizes, right? So you got the different sizes here for your credit cards, RFID passport sleeves right here. Check this out. These are EMF blocking stickers. So you can put these on your phones. You can put these on devices that emit EMF radiation. EMF blocking stickers, different sleeves. Well, oh yeah, check it out. We got the new budget blockers for the ORP as well. Oppenheimer Ranch Project caps. These also include the liners that are removable as well, so you can get yourself a budget blocking ORP hat. Oppenheimer Ranch Project, and there's two. We're almost sold out of these. These are almost gone. And then we've got some budget blocker tinfoil cap hats as well that do come with the liners. So you do get a liner with these as well. And you can, when you're not wearing your hat, you can take the liner off. You can wrap your phone with it. You can wrap it around your router. What else we got here? Oh yeah, we just look at it. I've got one of these left. The Stealth McFly. I think I've got one left here. I might have a couple more, but I know I've got at least one left. The Stealth McFly. Look at this. Feel how heavy duty this material is. You can hear it. Listen to that. Oh, got one of these left. We got these pendants. Check this out. Quantum Science pendants. Tinfoilcap.co. These also include a authenticity card as well. These are pendant Quantum Scholar pendants. Oh yeah, you got to get one of these. You put your phone in this bad boy. It's like a Faraday cage. You put your phone in here. You put your monies behind it. So you got your money and your wallet behind it, your credit card, your phone. Actually, I'm sorry, your phone goes in here. If you were to put your phone right here, it doesn't block it completely. You put your phone in this part because this is the Faraday cage, and then you could put your wallet and stuff right there. So this, once you close it, it's like a Faraday cage. So if you've got your phone in your pocket constantly, even when you're not on your phone is sending a signal back and forth, right? Your phone is sending a signal to a cell tower. Bing, 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 bing. Microwave, fry me, yeah. Well, here's your Faraday cage for your phone right here. These are available at tinfoilcap.co as well. What else I got? Oh yeah, check it out, man. Hello. All right, so protect your jewels. We got a bunch of stickers. I've been giving away stickers with every order lately. I've been giving away all these really cool carbon fiber decals. What else we got in here, man? What else we got? Oh yeah, check it out. Okay, so these are fun. You got like heavy duty, right? These are great. Gotta love it. Tinfoilcap.co. Tinfoilcap.co. So, warning, 5G radiation. Stairway to heaven. Hello. All right, so what else we got? Want me to test the radiation levels again? Let's just test the radiation levels again, shall we? Fried. You're getting fried right now, man. Look at that. 15,000 milliwatts per square meter. It shouldn't be over 1. I mean, if it's over 10, you know, where are you at? Are you in an apartment building? Do you have cell towers right above you, antenna systems? Do you have routers in every room? Do you have your cell phone constantly on when you go to sleep right next to you? How many people are complaining about radiation? How many people are, oh man, EMF radiation, oh man, 5G. What are you doing about it? Here's your opportunities right here, folks. Block yourself, protect yourself, and check yourself. So, yeah, let's wander around for a minute, shall we? All right. Look at this. Na. Woo! I can feel the microwave. 7,000, 50,000, 1 trillion, quadrillion, floating thousand points per second, milliwatts. I'm just, okay, so check it out. I just went to the post office. Before this, and I mailed off about 18 different packages. So here's the receipt for all the tracking orders and stuff. Mailed off 2 to Canada, 1 to Switzerland. No, was it Switzerland or Sweden? Mailed off 1 to Sweden. And so this is worldwide, folks. People are smart. People are waking up. 39,000 milliwatts per square meter. 39,000. We're next to a hospital here. People are going to get help, and they're getting fried with radiation. But you know what? It's because they love us so much. So yeah, I went to the post office. I mailed off about 18 packages, and I was talking to the gentleman there, real nice guy. He's actually very knowledgeable. And I said, hey, this is really, he's like, how's it going? I said, it's going great. He said, what have you been up to? He knows I do podcasts. I said, I just got back from Utah, explored some really cool petroglyphs out there that showed what could have been a micronova event or something. But then, he knows I've got these caps and stuff because I'm always mailing them out. And I said, yeah, I was on Edge of Wonder the other day, and they were wearing these caps. And the next day I got 12.5 orders. And he's like, oh, that's great. And I said, one person sent me an email that said they look out their window and they're looking at a cell tower. They literally look out their window and they're looking at a cell tower. And we just started talking about how these telecommunication companies, they're not designed to protect you, folks. As a matter of fact, look into the utility bills that have been passed that gives telecommunication companies protections that people could only dream of having. It's very disturbing the way that they're protected. However, it's because they love us so much. We were talking about it. He knew all about that. Very, very smart guy. So it's good to see people awake. And I was like, did you know that there's a cell tower just next to the hospital that's not very far above the actual the roof line? If you look at the hospital where I just showed you, the cell tower, the medical center right here, I mean, this is very bizarre. Very bizarre, folks. But you know what happens when the MFers rule the world? They don't care. Or I mean, they care so much. They care. People are driving past me, looking at me weird. People are driving around they're like doing circles, wondering what I'm doing. Folks, it's a science experiment. I'm showing you how much radiation you're getting exposed to. Doesn't it feel good? Tinfoilcap.co. Check it out. And thanks for being here. This is just a quick rant brought to you by the crazy guy in the van, not down by the river. Hello. Be the change you want to see.